Irish Death. That's a good one. Haven't done it in a while. So let's try it out. Oh man, it's loose. Ooh. Oh my gosh, terrible. I made that mistake last time I raced this. Wow. Wow. That is terrible. I need to slow down right here a little bit. Sorry. This is just, there's zero grip. Zeech. Slid on that. Even. There we go. This part's not half bad. That's okay. It's okay. This part is okay too, kind of. Oh, peanut butter. For love of peanut butter, Batman. Not hitting that. You get some speed on it. I'll hit this though. Oh yeah. One of the better trails here. Love it. Woo!